Good morning, children. Welcome to the world of environmental studies. Fifth class, first semester, first chapter. Today, our topic is migration of people. So, first of all, what is the need of migration? What is meant by migration? How the people are migrated? Migration is a seasonal movement of people from one place to another place. Because of so many people, migration for their better future, better life, and better livelihood. Sometimes migration changes the structure of families. Migration affects the children in many ways because the parents they are wanting to take the children along with them for a new place. Sometimes they are leaves the kids at their grandparents. As per our academic standards, in our textbook, migration is divided into two types. Number one is natural migration, and another one is economical migration. Actually, natural migration means those who are suffers from cyclones and floods, and along with calamity some other earthquakes. These are undergoes to natural migrations. Another one is economical migrations. Means those who are wanting to go plus one place to another place for a better life. Means they are searching for jobs along with some other businesses and some another. Dear children, carefully observe the picture. It refers to us why they are migrate one place to another place. So we can find out the pictures how and why the people are migrated from one place to another place. Natural calamity. Here is an Kondaya. We moved to Vijayawada because we lost our home and crop is the cyclone. It affected many families in our area. My father is working as a security guard at the ATM center. My mother is working as a maid. I will join in the school for this year. Poverty, we have no property. My father works as a daily wage labor. So we moved to Chennai. He is paid till here, but the cost of living is more than our village. And another one we can observe for transfer. Hi, I am Praveen. My father is working in a bank. He is transferred to Tirupati. We are moving next week. And another one, nomads. Hi, I am Pallavi. We moved to Guntur because my brother joined a college and my father started a new business. But I love my beautiful village. And another one, social migration. I am Somaya. I am unable to go to school regularly because we don't have live in a permanent place. We move in search of livelihood, but I want to continue my studies. Children, carefully observe this picture. Above, we can find out the importance of migration and their needs. Thus, they are went for a better future and better life. They are went to or migrated from one place to another place. Effects of migration. Example, Rajaya moved from Gindalur to Chennai for his famine and he is working there more than 5 years. But still he is working 5 years but he cannot earn the money for their needs. So he want to call their family members. So his wife and his son they are left to Chennai and they are also searching for a job to get their needs as per our their needs to get more than money. Another example, Madhu went to abroad to search in a job to support their family and he is earning very well to modify his life. Not only that, he is educated their children and he constructed a newly and a big, very nice, comfortable house for their parents. And Few years later, he back to his village. Another example, you can find out some group of people migrating seasonally in search of group of people or tobacco workers. They can called as Pachaku laborers. In Prakasam district, tobacco is the main crop. So they employ laborers who come from neighboring and district search of work. Another one is slums. There is a rapid migration from rural to urban areas. Due to this temporary shelters and scarcity of facilities, population density or increasing people are getting attracted urban culture. Thus, poverty, informal economy, poor planning are leading to the information of slums areas. In the urban regions, the government has been implementing the rural development along with the programs in villages to stop migration. Where is my place? On a rainy day, Bablu did not attend his duty on his market yard. And 2 years back, Bablu's family moved to Chalama to Visakhapatnam as a laborers, daily wages. But they are not earning the enough money as per their requirements. Sometimes Bablu think of his village, of their respective family and friends and villages, and along with neighbors and relatives, because he thinks about those days are very happily when even it is good or bad. So he want to back their village. Children, observe the following picture. It is all about a family budget. Viraya is the owner of an acre of land. He rears 5 buffaloes. He is living by selling milk. He earns about 10,000 rupees per month. He has two children, Satish and Nirmala. Both of them are studying. Both the children have a habit of saving money. They put the money in their piggy banks. In plan, the family budget every month and saves in a bank for future needs. Bank gives some money as interest on savings. Children, observe the showing picture. It is all about a pie chart showing the budget of two families are given below. Let us observe. One circle is represents about Mr. Rakesh and his family, and another one is Viraya's family expenditures. So here some colors are mentioned about their expenditures as per their requires. So which family saves money? Can you identify the family that has a proper economic planning? Economic planning of which family will you follow in your future? It shows the distribution of the family income to various items of expenditures. It teaches the value of money to the members of a family. A household budget helps you to identify the areas of maximum expenditure and unnecessary expenditure and helps to save money by cutting the unnecessary expenditure. Children, yet finally we have learned as natural calamities, poverty, unemployment are the basic reasons for migration, and slums are formed due to migration. And another one, a family budget is a statement which shows how the income is spent in families, and saving is a good habit. And last one, education is the right of a child.